So very often in life, we tend to sort of rush in to pretty much everything. Most things that we do, we tend to sort of want to begin them as quickly as possible so we can finish them as quickly as possible. There's no real sense of easing in to things. Even if you think about taking time out for a bit of meditation once in a while, the temptation is to be really, really busy, sit down, think, okay, now I've got to meditate and do it as quickly as possible. But we don't really get the full benefit. It's much better to start to slow down maybe 5 or 10 minutes beforehand so that by the time we do sit down, we really experience the body and the mind in a very different way. Same's true for the week ahead. Rather than rushing, charging into the week, know that there's a whole week ahead. And by easing into it, by taking it slowly, gently, it doesn't mean being less productive, doesn't mean being less focused. I would argue it actually allows us more room to do those things. But just managing the energy, knowing that we're going into a week ahead rather than just the first few hours of the first day, allows us to have a more steady, gentle, committed awareness that gives a feeling of stability throughout the week. So just starting that off right now by taking a moment, sitting down, lying down, whatever's most comfortable for you, taking a big deep breath, breathing in through the nose. And if you haven't done already, as you breathe out, just gently closing the eyes. Just allowing the body to sink down, allowing the muscles to soften, easing in to the exercise, not trying to get anywhere, no expectations, just noticing as you sit there how the body feels. Noticing as you sit there how the breath feels in the body. That rising and falling sensation. And nothing to do with the breath. Don't try to focus in any real way. Just noticing. Just easing in. Allowing the body to breathe. Just present for that rising and falling sensation. And as you bring the attention back to the body, back to that feeling of contact, just recognizing the value of that approach, just settling down, easing in, calm, steady, clear. Those are the qualities that allow us to be more focused, more productive, and to get more out of the week, to enjoy the week that much more. Right now, whenever you're ready, just gently opening the eyes again.